Hey guys, welcome back in my new video. In this video, I will show you this amazing soldering iron. It doesn't require any electricity to run. You can use a 12V rechargeable battery, 12V 200W SMPS, PD power bank. Make sure the power bank is upper than 45W and a PD power adapter. Before unboxing this soldering iron, let's talk about PCBWay. PCBWay is a leading manufacturer of printed circuit board, offering a variety of PCB including PCB assembly, flex PCB, CNC and 3D printing. To order PCB, upload your Gerber file and click on Save to Cart for instant checkout. I received this amazing soldering iron from PCB Bazaar. You can also get it at a free of cost. You can check the description for more details.